Oh, I've been east and I've been west, and I've been to St. Johnston, and the bonniest lad that ever I saw was a Collier Laddie dancing. Aye, and I've been east and I've been west, and I've been to Kirkcaldy, and the bonniest lass that ever I saw, she was following our Collier Laddie. She'd silken slippers all on her feet, her body neat and handsome. She'd sky blue ribbons all in her hair to go to Burnham dancing. Oh, where do you live, lass, and what do you do? And what is that they call ye? Oh, Bonnie Jeannie Gordon is my name, and I'm following my Collier Laddie. He says, I'll give you good love, I'll give you gear, and I can make ye a lady. I'll make ye a lady of a higher degree than following your Collier Laddie. She says, I'll no hear your good, nor yet your ear, and I'll no be your lady. I'll make my bed in the Collier's nook, and I'll lie with my Collier Laddie. At 7 long years had passed and gone, 7 long years and nearly, when the same gentleman came begging for his bread to her and that Collier Laddie. She says, what is your good now, what is your gear, that was to make me a lady? For I've got gold and silver enough, and I'm still with my Collier Laddie. For I've been east and I've been west, and I've been to St. Johnston, and the bonniest lad that ever I saw was a Collier Laddie dancing. Aye, and I've been east and I've been west, and I've been to Kirkcaldy, and the bonniest lass that ever I saw, she was following our Collier Laddie.